In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Udemy courses on your PC, quickly and efficiently. Whether you're trying to take your learning offline, conserve bandwidth, or just prefer to access your courses at your own convenience, this guide will make sure you know exactly how to get it done. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Udemy's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.udemy.com in the address bar. Don't let its cluttered interface intimidate you. We'll navigate through it step by step. Once you're on the site, look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see the Login button. Give that a click. This will lead you to the login page where you'll need to enter your account details, your email and password to gain access. If you don't have an account yet, take a few moments to create one. Trust me, it'll be worth it for all the great content you'll have access to. Now that you're logged in, find the My Learning option. Again, this is located in the top right section of the Udemy interface. Click on it and it will lead you to your personal library where all your enrolled courses are displayed. This area is your gateway to exploring the courses you've invested in, offering you full control over your Udemy content. Your next step is to select a course you'd like to download. Scroll through your list of courses and decide which one you want to have access to offline. Click on that course to open it. This will take you to the course content page where you can see the list of all the available lectures and materials that are part of that course. If you haven't already purchased the course you want to download, there's a quick pit stop you'll need to make. Navigate to the course's main page and proceed to purchase the course if you haven't yet done so. Don't forget, Udemy often runs discounts and promotions, so keep an eye out for those deals. Just complete the checkout process by choosing your payment method and finalizing your purchase. Once your course is open and at your fingertips, the process for downloading varies. But generally, look for a download option within the lecture content or check if there's a section that allows offline viewing. This will often be represented with a download icon, or the option may be found in the sidebar or course player. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to downloading Udemy courses to your PC. This setup will allow you to enhance your learning experience by accessing content on your own schedule, without the need for an active internet connection. Enjoy your learning journey and make the most out of all the valuable courses at your disposal.